Hey guys, it's me, Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and I kid you not, I'm loaded today. Look at that. Got a whole bunch of crouching stuff on this truck right here. Look at that. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's going to be number 6 right there. I'm pretty crouchy though. I'm trying to kind of pushing my luck. But let me get this done. Let me see if I can get it done before this thing starts over recording. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't fail me now. I cut him up with the big boy, and then we proceed to do this. I'm just gonna try to spin it around right now. You know what? That might work. See if I can get her done. All right. Oh, the stupid tab thingy. Oh, what do I do with this? Booyah. Okay, that'll work. Power on. I'm using my wireless winch. Alright. Make sure your stuff is nice and tight. Make sure your cable goes in right. Alrighty. The trick is to keep it upright. That's the trick, at least. Alright, let's redo the cable. Put it around it. So that way we get a more universal pull. Kind of want it to, once it gets to the top there, I'll show you what I do. I kind of swing them around. Swing him around though. Oh, somebody's been cutting through this one too. Somebody used the gas and they didn't get their trophy. Alright, let's try that. Alright. That didn't work. Let's try it this way. Alright. We kind of swing it around. We'll try to at least not having it pop off. There we go. And out. Alrighty. I am loaded. Ready to rock. What I like to do is I leave the cable on the last one, so it kind of secures it. Keeps it where it's at. You know what I mean? In this case, it might not be helping me, it might be hurting me. So instead, I'll put a strap on it. There we go. Oh yeah. And I got a little bit of bounce left. Okay, not much, but a little bit. And I just need a little bit. Oh boy. Alright, that's it. See how I did that? Alright, I'm gonna put a couple of straps on this thing, and I'm out. That's how we do it, guys. and the upper northwest. All right, got 6 big pieces in there. I don't think I want to put any more actually. And then I'll come and salvage whatever the hell I want tomorrow. It's a nice piece. That's a nice piece. See what's left. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye. I gotta put all my chainsaws away. Bye, guys.